Alright, so if you haven't said by now, what on earth is Miss Woodmancy using that she can, like, record her computer and do all this stuff? Well, it is Screencast-O-Matic. That's what I've been using. And this is the homepage after you log in to your account, and then you'd hit Start Recorder. It would actually make you, like, download this little software thing, but it doesn't mess up your computer. I have a really slow-running laptop also, and it's great. It's fine. And what you do is, it's going to pop up and say that it's already open down here, but if you wouldn't already have it open, it would pop up green in letters, and it would say, well, a green check in letters, and it would say, like, launch this in another app or something, and you just hit OK, and then you get this fancy little box, and it's like a cropping box. Like, you can make it a rectangle or whatever size you want. If you only want to show, like, if I'd only want to show you this little box, I could have made it that small, and then just move it around as much as I want whenever I'm recording. But you can't adjust the box once you start, which kind of is a downfall. And it always wants you to buy this Screencast Pro, which is only $1.50 a month, but you can't buy it by month. You have to buy it by the year, so that's kind of unfortunate. But if you were using this a lot, like say you were doing a online class, or if you knew days that you were going to be out of school and you wanted to do that, or I'm personally a biology education major, in secondary, so there may be a lot of days where I need to set up lab. So I could screencast the beginning of my lesson, sit here and teach it, and as I'm teaching it on the smartboard, could be back in the back, setting up the lab, taking care of that, and then still be teaching and just making time super efficient. So I would totally recommend Screencast as long as you get used to using it. As soon as you're done recording, you can pause through your recording, but you have to, like, record it all at once. But if you record and pause, and then start it again, you can keep doing that until you're done with it. Then when you hit done after your pause, you have to save it to your computer, which I've had some trouble with because it saved it to the same place once, but then it didn't do it again. So I don't know if I'd be exactly reliable on that, because you don't want to take all this time recording something and then it not even saved to where you need it. I mean, that's frustrating. So you can upload it to YouTube, and it takes a little while based on your Wi-Fi, but it's really easy, and I actually have, like, everything that's on this presentation on here. And it's just super helpful. I would definitely recommend using Screencast-O-Matic. The negatives totally outweigh the positives totally outweigh the negatives. Try it. I promise you won't regret it.